Hi, it's Lori from Coast to Coast Craft Girls, coming to you from the West Coast. Today I wanted to share a really fun card that I made. It's just using a stencil and some inking and then a simple sentiment. It goes together super fast and flat to mail, obviously, which is great. But perfect for a guy or a girl or anyone really. Just a note to say hi. Let me show you how it's made. I'm going to start by inking my card. I've got a piece of card that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I've got a stencil, Altenew stencil called Deco Diamonds, and it's a 2-part stencil. So I'm going to start with my green, and you can see I've already done one, but I'll show you exactly how I did it. And I've got my sticky mat from Altenew, and this really helps. One, it holds the cardstock, and then it'll also hold the stencil on the outside. And I've got Mystic Lake fresh dye ink. And I'm just gonna go around and ink the entire card with Mystic Lake. And it'll take me a minute, so I'll speed this up so you don't have to watch. But it's a super easy inking. Like, you don't have to be perfect. You just want to get some color on. And it doesn't have to be all solid, the same color. In fact, I think it looks better if you get a little bit of variation in the color, personally. You make some parts darker, some parts lighter. And I'm just going to kind of hold in spots to make sure it stays down and doesn't slide. I'm just going to peel that stencil off and set it aside to get washed later. And actually that looks pretty cool all on its own. But you've got the second stencil, which is blue, and you basically just line it up over the top of what you just stenciled. And I'm going to ink this one with azurite. And when you peel that up, it just looks so cool. I've just got a white card blank that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I'm just going to put my inked panel right on there. Then for sentiment, I've just got a strip of 1 inch wide white card that I'm going to put sort of near the bottom, and a little hello sentiment that I cut out of with a die. And I'm just going to add that to my card, and that's it. We're done. And we're done. So fast and easy. You've got such a really pretty stencil. So, thanks for watching.